If you voted in a Telegram poll and changed your mind, don't worry, because you can update your vote in just a few seconds. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change your vote in a Telegram poll from your PC using a super simple method that works fast and only takes a couple of clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tips and how-to guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your PC and go to the chat where the poll is posted. Find the poll message you already voted on. Now, instead of trying to vote again right away, right-click on the poll message. When the menu appears, look for the option that says Retract Vote. Click that option to remove your current vote from the poll. This is the key step because Telegram won't let you simply vote twice without retracting the old choice first. After you retract your vote, the poll will become available again. Now go ahead and click on the new answer you want to choose. As soon as you select it, Telegram will record your updated vote in the poll. That's it. You've successfully changed your vote on a Telegram poll from your PC in just a few moments. This is really useful if you clicked the wrong option, changed your opinion, or just want to support a different answer. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.